everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and tonight I am tackling my foundation landscape bed. Now I did a few things that weren't totally right because I was in a hurry, and now I'm having to go back through and clean this up. So one thing that I did wrong, I didn't do a very good job of harvesting all of the barley seed before I mowed the spring crops down in place. That's resulted in a massive amount of barley that's germinated. Additionally, all that biomass that I mowed down is actually robbing nitrogen from these plantings, and I didn't provide enough fertilizer to compensate. So tonight, I'm going to add more fertilizer once I get all of this barley hand weeded out. So look what I just found. I thought it was a yellow leaf, but it's the most magnificent moth. So first, let me show you where I put the moth. I was trying to put it on this coleus because it looks so much like it. But there it is. I think it's safe. I'm mostly concerned about my cats. This one right here is a killing machine. And I didn't do the best job, but I know from experience that all these little bits that I've missed will keep growing. So this just won't be my last round of weeding, but for the most part, I've gotten this looking significantly better. And now I am going to apply a fertilizer that I have not used in probably close to 20 years of my life. But I just feel like organic fertilizer isn't going to do the trick. I want this bed to grow and fill in. So I am going to use some good old-fashioned 10-10-10 plant food. The final step will be just to turn on the sprinkler and let all of that fertilizer get watered in well. That way it'll be activated and the plants can instantly start to benefit from it. I look forward to sharing updates with you on this project. Fingers crossed, by 2 weeks from now, you'll never even know that this bed was lagging in growth and development. So thanks so much for watching, everybody.